Hi everyone. After a long time I decided I should make a video. It's been a while. I actually recorded another video on a windshield repair but haven't gotten a chance to put it on. But I thought this one would be really helpful for a lot of you owners of the E90 chassis, especially the ones with the N52. It also applies to other chassis. So I was actually experiencing slight hesitation while accelerating. The car would sort of, it just wasn't as peppy as it used to be. So if you get on the throttle a little bit, it'll take a second longer. And so I thought, you know what, like, let's do some maintenance, check the air filters, spark plugs, just the basic stuff first. I don't have any check engine lights. I don't have any issues with the car otherwise. The car does drive fine. One of the things that I haven't done in a while is spark plugs. Honestly, I can't tell you how long it's been. I think it's been at least 100,000 kilometers, maybe more, probably like 120, 130. So well over the life of the spark plugs. I thought, okay, let's start this. I bought new spark plugs today, the NGKs. For my car, this is the recommended plug. So it's 95712 NGK laser iridiums. There's Denso plugs, Bosch plugs. The ones that were in my car were also NGKs, so you can see they're NGK. There, that's perfect. So look at the gap there. And then if I look at the new one, yeah, so it's much, and you can see the electrode or diode is a lot taller. So that is also what's, creating the gap in the old one. The old one is burnt away quite a bit. I mean, they are quite old. I've used them for their life, probably longer than I should have. But I think this is what's causing it. According to forums and everywhere I checked online, it should be about 43 to 44,000. So I have, a gap checking tool here. It's right here. And in my case, like, I don't have a 43. I do have a 42 and a 44. So I have a 42 and 44 here. So if I check the new one, 42 goes right in and 44 does not. In the old one, so we're looking at 32 plus 35, what is that, 67? And that is what the gap is. I think it's time to replace these plugs, but I figured I should let you guys know. These old plugs, check them over time, the gap increases. And change your plugs, check them. These are at 67,000 and this is 43. So that's quite a bit of a gap increase. Sorry, it's quite a bit of an increase over time. They do deteriorate. The diodes, or I think they're called electrodes, they do burn. So as they burn, the gap increases between the two. You can see it immediately right there, how much of a difference there is. So check these. If you're having slight hesitations, replace them. And I got them for 20 bucks a piece. They're $120 total for all six, here in Canada at least. Maybe it's cheaper or more where you are, but replace those. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what I'm working on today. I'll be releasing a couple more videos on general maintenance items on E90, and one other video which I'm excited to work on is buying an E90 in 2023, what to look out for, and going into 2024. Actually, we're in the latter half of the year. What to look out for with these chassis, this platform specifically, my experience with the N52. I'm going to release a video on that, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. Take care.